In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a symbol or special character in Microsoft Word. Whether you need a degree sign, a check mark, a currency symbol, or a math character, Word has a built-in gallery that makes this quick and precise. Have your document open and click where you want the symbol to appear. Placing the cursor first is important. Word will insert the symbol exactly at that spot, so you won't have to move it later. Head up to the ribbon at the top of Word and open the Insert tab. This tab is where Word keeps tools for adding content beyond plain text, like pictures, tables, and, in our case, symbols. If you don't see the ribbon, expand it so you can access the full set of commands. On the right side of the Insert tab, look for the Symbol option. Clicking Symbol shows a small menu that often lists a handful of recently used symbols. If the one you need is right there, great. You can select it and keep working. But most of the time, you'll want the full catalog, so choose the option labeled More Symbols to open the dialog box. The symbol dialog is your control center. At the top, you can switch fonts. Some fonts include richer symbol sets, so if a symbol doesn't appear, try a font like Segoe UI symbol or one of the Wingdings sets. Use the subset dropdown on the right to jump to categories such as currency symbols, mathematical operators, or Latin extended. This makes finding what you need much faster than scrolling. If you're looking for punctuation marks or spacing characters, check the Special Characters tab in this dialog. You'll find items like EM dashes, N dashes, and non-breaking spaces there, each with a clear description so you know exactly what you're inserting. Once you locate the symbol you want, click it to preview, then choose Insert. You can also double-click the symbol to place it immediately. If you need the same symbol multiple times, keep double-clicking to insert it repeatedly without closing the dialog. When you're done, select Close. From now on, that symbol will likely appear in the small symbol menu under Recently Used, making future access just a click away. To wrap up, remember, place your cursor, go to Insert, open symbol, choose More Symbols, and pick exactly what you need. With the font and subset filters, plus the Special Characters tab, you'll find the right symbol quickly and keep your formatting consistent. Thanks for watching and happy editing in Word.